Mac and cheese is one of the most important side dish when it comes to Thanksgiving. And today I'm going to show you guys how to make it perfect every single time. This recipe is creamy, cheesy, and it doesn't take a long time to make. So let me show you guys how to make it. First thing first, we're going to start by boiling our macaroni. I'm using elbow-shaped pasta. My water is already boiling. Now I'm going in with a little bit of chicken bouillon and some salt. I always like to add some chicken bouillon to it. Give it a nice little mix, just like this, so it doesn't stick together. And then you're going to cover it, allow it to cook until al dente. To make the best macaroni, you have to grate your own cheese. That's the only way. I know it can be a lot, but you have to grate your own cheese. It'll be more cheesy and tastes better. I'm using 4 different cheeses today: mozzarella, cheddar cheese, Gouda, and Colby Jack. I'm going to keep going until I grated all the cheese, and I'll show you guys how to make the nice creamy cheese sauce when we're done. We have the cheese nice and grated. As you can see, we're going to put that on the side so we can take care of the pasta. All right, guys, the pasta is nice and al dente. As you can see, we're going to drain it and set it on the side. Now it's time to make the cheese sauce. Very, very important. It's the base for the macaroni and cheese. To begin, we're going in with 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Unsalted because we can add salt later, but if we add too much, we can't go back. So let's melt the butter. Once that butter is nice and melted, we're going in with about 3 tablespoons of flour. Now, you want to fry the flour, okay? You want to cook the flour to make your mac and cheese don't taste like raw flour. Okay, if you know, you know. So make sure you fry that really good for about 30 seconds, I would say. Once you have a light cream color like this, go in with your milk. Okay, I'm going in with about 2.5 cups of milk. As you adding it, grab you a whisk and whisk. That's how you're gonna make sure you don't form any lumps. Make sure you whisk it, okay? Very important. Slowly, gradually add your milk in, and then just keep whisking it. You see how I did that? Nice and lump-free. Perfect. Now also, I have some heavy whipping cream that I'm going to add in. You can add in some evaporated milk as well if you have some, but we're trying to make this nice and creamy, and the heavy whipping cream is going to do just that, okay? Once you're done, you're going in with your seasoning. Now, this is mac and cheese. It's not chicken. Keep it very simple. So I'm using a little bit of onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, very important, with some ground black pepper, a little bit of chicken bouillon, not too much, okay, a little bit. Now, don't add your salt yet, you can add it after. Now I'm going in with 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. Dijon is very important, gives it that Dijon-y flavor. Also, I have some sour cream. Yes, I know. Don't knock it till you try it. It's definitely going to elevate your mac and cheese. Definitely don't skip on that one. Give it a nice stir. And we're looking for creamy. So we're going in with some cream cheese. Cream cheese is going to make it even more creamier. I know it's a lot of ingredients, but that's the key to making the most delicious mac and cheese. Just allow that to melt. As you can see, it's already nice and creamy, okay? Now we're going in with the cheese, okay? Now it's time to taste it. Let's give it a try. Listen, if your roux, your cheese sauce, doesn't taste good, your mac and cheese is not gonna be good. Like, you need to make sure this right here already tasting amazing, which it does. So now it's time to add my cheese to it. So I'm using half of the cheese, not all, okay? Because I need some to kind of put over it. So I'm using a little bit of everything, so half and half. Let's go with the cheddar cheese. Just add the cheese in there just like that. Again, we're using half of the cheese. The rest will be for the topping. Give it a nice mix, just like this. At this point, your heat should be on low. You don't want to burn the cheese. You just want to melt it. That's my cheese sauce, as you can see. Nice and cheesy. All the measurement will be below, so make sure you check that out. My cheese sauce is ready, so let me grab my pasta. My pasta already have flavor. Like, I tasted it, it tastes so good already. Now I'm going to just add it to my, ooh, give it a nice mix like this. If you don't hear that sound, you hear that? Yes, ma'am. Add the remaining. That looks so good. Cheesy, not dry, delicious and flavorful. That's the way I like it. Now we're going to pour it to our baking dish. Do y'all see this? Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Creamy, smells amazing already, and it's not even done. Now I'm going in with my cheese. Yes, yes, yes. On top. This is going to be so good, y'all. Make sure you mix the cheese and not just add Colby Jack on one side and, you know, just mix it as you adding them in on top. This is going to be so good. This is the perfect Thanksgiving macaroni and cheese, okay? I hope you guys give this a try, because this is going to be your special mac and cheese that everyone going to love and ask for more. I make this every Thanksgiving. It's always, always, always a hit. And now what I like to do is add a little bit of paprika on top. It gives it a beautiful color once it's done baking. And then we're going to set this in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes on 350. The mac and cheese is ready. Come take a look. It's beautiful. I know. Looks so good. Let me tell you, the amount of people waiting for this mac and cheese right now, I need to hurry up and do this taste test, y'all. It's so good. Yes, I tried it already. It's so bomb. But of course. Y'all, this right here is the best mac and cheese, hands down. What are you waiting for? Save this video. Save this video, give it a thumbs up if you have not done so already. There are plenty Thanksgiving recipes coming your way, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.